Looking for a powerful drone that can capture breathtaking aerial shots miles away? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best long-range drones, packed with 8K cameras, GPS precision, obstacle avoidance, and unbelievable range. Stick around, because drone number 1 is an absolute game-changer. Today, we've handpicked the best long-range drones with incredible range, stunning camera performance, and smart flight features that make them perfect for both beginners and professionals. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. V168 Max Drone. The V168 Max drone is built for serious aerial photographers. It features dual 8K HD cameras, 5G GPS positioning, and a massive 5 km flight range. The brushless motors ensure smooth, stable flight even in windy conditions, while the foldable design makes it travel-friendly. Product reviews. Users love its long-distance stability and crystal-clear 8K video capture, calling it one of the best drones under its price range. Pros: 8K Ultra HD dual camera system, 5G GPS with auto return to home, long 5 km range, brushless motors for quiet and stable flight, foldable design for easy portability. Number 2. 200 LRA Pro Max. The 200 LRA Pro Max stands out with its 8K HD dual cameras, 2-axis gimbal stabilization, and 5 km flight range. It also includes 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors, making it perfect for safe and precise aerial shots. Product reviews. Drone enthusiasts rave about its smooth footage and easy controls, saying it performs like a drone twice its cost. Pros: 8K HD camera with 2-axis gimbal, GPS plus obstacle avoidance technology, 5 km control range, brushless motors for powerful performance, foldable, portable build. Number 3. SX1 Max. The SX1 Max is a professional-grade drone with a 4K ultra-clear camera and a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring buttery-smooth video even at high speeds. The large-screen remote control gives you real-time FPV feedback, and its brushless motor design guarantees performance and durability. Product reviews. Users praise its gimbal stability and responsive GPS controls, calling it ideal for aerial videographers. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for ultra-stable footage, 4K high-definition video recording, large-screen remote control, foldable and durable design, long battery life and range. Number 4. S156 Drone. The S156 drone brings professional-grade features at a budget-friendly price. It includes a 4K dual camera, FPV live streaming, and optical flow positioning for accurate hovering. The brushless motors deliver a quiet yet powerful flight experience. Product reviews. Buyers love its easy handling, stable flight, and crisp 4K video quality, making it a perfect option for beginners stepping into aerial photography. Pros: 4K HD dual camera setup, optical flow plus FPV Wi-Fi control, brushless motor design, long battery life, great beginner-friendly controls. Number 5. S159 Drone. The S159 drone features 8K resolution dual cameras, 5G Wi-Fi, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors for safe and intelligent flight. The foldable brushless design and 5 km range make it perfect for travel and professional use alike. Product reviews. Users love its strong connectivity and crisp image stabilization, saying it's one of the most reliable drones for long-range flying. Pros: 8K HD dual camera with live FPV, 5G Wi-Fi plus GPS return home, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, brushless motors for powerful lift, foldable, portable body design. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And there you have it, the top 5 best long-range drones of 2025. Each of these drones offers advanced flight stability, long-distance connectivity, and stunning 4K to 8K camera performance, giving you total creative freedom from above. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top 5 tech reviews. Thanks for watching and fly safe.